What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the finesse guy, JD92, coming back at y'all with another motherfucking unboxing. So look, today we got some more shit, man, and we gonna unbox it, man. So let's get straight into it. Without further ado or delay, I feel like I'm not saying that word right. Fuck it. So first one, Amazon Prime. If I'm speeding through this, it's because I need more memory on my memory card, so I'm trying not to have long and shit. Okay, so I did buy 2 of these. So I just bought some of this Viking Revolution beard oil. Like I said, I'm getting my beard game up, and I needed some new products, so I figured I'd try this. People said a lot of good shit about it. I researched it. It's like 100% organic and shit. So we're gonna get that shit popping. Try to get the beard popping and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So this next thing out of that package is from Amazon too. Make sure you got thumbs up and like your bitch. But yeah, go do that for me. Next thing, it's not put together, but these are just some fucking like the roll-on oils. So where like, you know how like you roll on chapstick? They got roll-on chapstick. So I bought these empty roll-on canisters for oil for my hair and scalp. That way I don't gotta just be drip, 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 and then rub it in. I could just roll that thing on and be straight. So that was just some cosmetic shit, you know what I'm saying? Just to get my life together, you know what I'm saying? Nah, for real. It was just some self-care shit. So next up, we gonna finally get into like the clothing and shoe aspect of it. I just got that out the way. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 things, cuz I'm slapping y'all niggas in the head with unboxings and no reviews, nigga. It's like, no. You should have some reviews coming soon. I did like hella on feet videos, and I just gotta edit, react, push them out. So just like that, we in there. So this first one, Amazon as well, and then we'll say this big one for later. Open this puppy, and it's not really. Well, you'll see when I open it. Like it wasn't supposed to be for me. It was actually a gift for my mom because I got her the Air Max 90 jumps. So I ended up buying those for her, and because they didn't come with a shoebox, I bought this shoebox. It's just a like clear, like the typical shoeboxes that people be getting from what's that store? Like the drop front jumps. Except I don't think this drop front. It might be. I don't remember. I bought it like last week, so yeah, it is drop front. So like I was gonna give it to her, but then like, well, it's not drop front. It's like pull out. So I might still give it to her because I don't think this is gonna fit my shoes. So most likely I'm gonna just give this to her so she can put her 90s in. So this is an all clear box. I really like this, except that this pull out part I wasn't really expecting. So it's cool though. Like it's for her, so I know she ain't tripping. And then it's like a cute box full or whatever. So next up, we got a package from H&M. This shit got here dummy quick. I'm used to H&M taking like weeks and shit, but it didn't this time for some reason. Like it took like a few days. Let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first is, what is this? Oh, this is like the brown jacket I bought. Cause I was like, what the fuck? This ain't my order. I forgot I bought this. So I had this in brown, and I really liked it. So I went ahead and bought it in motherfucking black. And it's like all over, like nice suede ass jacket. Like this shit is really nice. Like I said, I really like the brown one I have. So I went ahead and doubled up and just got a black one. Just because I feel like I can wear more shit with this black one. It's a little more drip, and yeah, it's giving me mad like Fear God Essential type vibes. It's from H&M. And that bitch, I think it was like $20. So that's the come up of that. Next up in this like damn near all black pack. We got some black cargo pants. And I've been needing these because I've been really into like cargos and they're mad comfortable, especially with like hella pockets and shit. So I went ahead and bought these. And the only thing with these though is they have drawstrings at the bottom. So I don't know if you guys can see that. They have drawstrings at the bottom, which is good for my sneakerheads because if you got like Jordan 1s on or a shoe, you want to have that stack effect. Draw it up, stack it right on top of the shoe. You want to go over, just loosen that drawstring, and then you're good to go. But I really like those, and I want some black ones. And I don't remember if these was on sale or not, but I seen them and I wanted them, so I caught them. So last one from this H&M pack is flannel. I've been really into flannels with like a graphic tee or something, and this one is just the same color. I got this in a 2X because I am into like that oversized vibe now. I don't know why, but like damn near all my clothing now is oversized as fuck because it's comfortable and I really like it. So hey, hey, fuck. You ain't even say bless you, goddamn bastards. I know nobody said it. If you said it, thank you. I cash app you $1. Alright, so that was the H&M pack. Next up is coming from a brand I really fuck with, even though I don't think I can say I fuck with them. This is coming from God is Dope. If you know me, you know I bought from this brand plenty of times. Even something that y'all haven't even seen yet. So this first one I did not expect to be this damn pink. This bitch is neon guts. But it's just the pink God is Dope hoodie. Y'all can see that right there. I don't want to unfold the whole thing, but this shown is like neon pink with like silver shit. But it was for the cheap. It was for the low, so I said I'm gonna pull it. Just because they dropped this one right here, which I really wanted, and you know I don't like buying things in like ones and shit. So I went ahead and purchased this one. The God is Dope like bandana type thing. I think that's what it is, bandana. I wanted a hoodie, but it's just the hoodies was all white with the black bandana vibe, and I didn't like that. Like, I'm not a fan of white like clothing and white hoodies and shit. Like I really don't like that shit. Like just because that shit get dirty quick, and then you'd be like, you fuck. Like once a hoodie like white gets dirty, especially like if it got a graphic and you gotta bleach that bitch, like I just don't trust it. Like bleach has fucked up so much of my clothing, and then I just be like, nah, I just rather just not buy it. Like it's lit, but I just rather have the black version than the white version, just to be real. So there's that. Out of God is Dope pack, I just got two things. It wasn't a bad price. The hoodie was actually cheaper than the fucking long sleeve, so that's always dope. So last like clothing bag is from ASOS, the brand I always fuck with. And let's pull out the first thing. So first things first, I pop up freaks all the honeys. It's like nah. First things first. Like I said, I'm into that oversized vibe, and I'm into the very simplistic style now. Like my style has gotten extremely simplistic, and so most of the shit I buy is extremely simplistic. All black and white striped shirt. This shit kind of hella see-through. It actually is kind of see-through, so definitely gonna be wearing something under that motherfucker. But yeah, so that's the first item. Second is something I really wanted, and I seen it. I was like, yeah, I gotta pick that shit up. That shit too clean to let this shit just sit on site. But one thing about ASOS, if that bitch on sale, that shit gonna sell. Like, do not just let shit sit in your car or sit on your wish list, because you will come back and that bitch will be gone. Like, and they, like, it's rare they restock. Like, I've caught a few restocks on certain shit I want. Oh my god, this is nice. I've caught restocks on certain shit I want, but I don't put my faith in it. So this next one is this actual shirt, and like it's like a berry type feel. Like it's really dope. Like I like this. Like the true colors is coming out, and this shit is a vibe. Like I'm telling you, my spring, my like hoodie season wardrobe, and my fucking spring wardrobe, boy, y'all not fucking with it. Like when I drop the spring wardrobe, my hair gonna be long too, nigga. Fuck you, mean. But I'm laying around. But it's some truth behind these words. But I'm joking. But I do have a lot of nice like spring and like hoodie season shit. So like probably around like February, March, a little bit into April, vibes, complete vibes. Like nigga, I'm vibing all 3 months, nigga. All 3 months is a vibe, bitch. Alright, so this last piece of clothing is actual again, and actually has some nice shit. So I got this big as fuck, but this is oversized. So like I said, I love oversized shit. This shit go perfect with my human races. The black and purple Jones. I probably wear some different shit with it because I got different shoes I could wear. But I just think it's a vibe. Like I said, I'm into that plain shit. Really nice, thick materials. Like, if it feel good on me, I feel good wearing it. You know what I'm saying? So, that was the last piece of clothing. Let's get to the last box right here and I get y'all the fuck up out of here. Cool. So, last thing comes from, if I'm not mistaken, StockX. I still bang with StockX from time to time, but most of my purchases will come from GOAT. So, if I'm not mistaken, it's StockX, but I can't really remember. So, if you see in this box, you probably gonna know what it is. Nike Air. This is my first pair of these ever. I've never worn these at all. Well, of course, never worn them. Of course that. But I've never owned a pair of these, and this is Air Max 90. So let's go ahead and pull it out. Like yeah, let's get it. What is this? Yeah, these are from StockX. So it's nice shit. I should have bought it for Savage Beauty. You think she don't fuck with that? Like an iridescent LB bag. But nah, so y'all can see it a little bit. But these are the Nike Air Max 90 Recraft Royals. I don't own that many blue shoes, which is crazy because at one point in my life, blue was like my favorite color. So I had to, whoa, the materials are there. My God, these shits are nice as fuck. They wide than a bitch, but these bitches bust. Whew! These shits clean. I can't wait to throw these on my feet and do it on my feet. Whew! The materials is there, my God. Well, that leather kind of stiff, but this motherfucker suede right here. That shit nice. But nah, so these songs is really nice though. Oh, I got the hang tag too. You know what I'm saying? Because these dead stock, yeah. And then what is these? What is these? Oh, arch supports? Get the fuck out of here. Okay, Nike, do your shit then. Talk your shit. Fucking arch supports. I don't even know how to wear these. The fuck? Just put it right there. I don't fucking know how arch supports work. Is that it? Fuck no. I figured it out, goddammit. I don't know how to fucking work. I guess you just put that bitch right there. I don't know. I don't need arch support. I ain't fucking 60. But nah. So, this is pretty much all my purchases. Like I said, I was running through this kind of quick. It's just because my memory card don't got that much memory. I've been recording hella shit, and I gotta get it off the memory card, which means I gotta actually edit shit. So, there's that. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for stopping by, kicking it with the God with your dirty ass. It's like, no. Appreciate all the love, support, all the subs. And I'm definitely going to come back with some more reviews, some more bangers. And I will see y'all in the next jump. Hit that thumbs up, that like button with your dog ass. And y'all be easy. Peace. And these pictures really is nice. Like there, in there. Yeah, like there, in there.